Severe thunderstorm warning again.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Parker County in north-central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Oh, wow. They didn't issue for western Tanner County or just for all Tanner County?
The severe thunderstorm was located over Western Lake, or 8 miles south of Weatherford, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
That means it could be for us.
Golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
This should have.
Source.
That should have just been a
Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs.
It's not a doubleheader.
Windows and vehicles.
It's not going to be a doubleheader because, well.
Siding and trees. Locations impacted include
It says so
Weatherford,
in
Hazel,
here.
Briar, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Hudson Oaks, Western Lake, Anetta, Lake Weatherford, Horseshoe Bend, Crescent, Anetta South, Anetta North, Sanctuary, La Junta, Tantop, Highland Addition, and Lake Cranberry. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 403 and 422.
Of course.
Interstate 30 near mile marker 1.
Figures.
For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Prepare immediately for large hail. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows.
It's not really,